Hello friends and potential friends. Well, it's amazing what difference a week makes. Got tomato seedlings starting to pop up over here. And I was just talking to a friend yesterday, worrying about my asparagus because nothing was popping up. And then I come out this morning and I've got asparagus popping up all over the place. There's one there, one there, one there, one there, there's another one. And another one. And another one. One more there. One more there. And these are all the UC 157 variety. The Mary Washington up here, so far I'm not seeing anything popping up. But just like I told my friend yesterday, if I give up and recycle that soil, pretty soon I'm going to have asparagus popping up everywhere. Got peppers coming up too. Lots of peppers. That's leisure cilantro there. I think I saw one catnip back there. Yeah, there it is. So it looks like everything has decided that it is spring. And incidentally, the first thing I had popping up has been up for a week now. There's all the different basils that I planted. Got the dark opal and the purple petra back there. There's some holy basil. Even have one little oregano plant popping up right there. More peppers. And there's one little cumin plant popping up. So once again, apparently the asparagus is trying to teach me patience. And this time I got lucky and procrastinated enough to where it started popping up before I gave up on it. It is definitely spring down here in Central Florida. Hit 88 degrees yesterday and headed back up around 80 again today. And I still need more room in here. I got a little bit of space right here where I can work and a little bit over against the side. And I'm going to have to start separating out those tomatoes because they are starting to pop up for me. But this is kind of an interesting time of year, and all the little seedlings start showing their heads. and testing my patience. Yeah, just a quick one today. I had to show that asparagus. But that's about it for now, and I'll see you next time.